Hey everyone, Aaron here, and today we're going to go ahead and take a peek inside the super fast, I don't even know what they're calling this, OnePlus Warp Charge 30. So we're going to take a look at the super fast OnePlus Warp Charge 30. This is OnePlus's birth into wireless charging. We've been asking for it, the fans have been asking for it, the people have wanted this feature for years. It has been standard on all flagship devices. Now, mind you, OnePlus historically has been a budget, mid-range friendly device. But still, even within that brand, there are flagships. And the flagship people within the OnePlus community, they've wanted wireless charging, and now they've given it to them. Not only do they have the technology built into the OnePlus 8 Pro, and I believe the OnePlus 8 as well, but they also have their own charger. That is right. This isn't something that that you see all the time. I know a couple companies out there have been trying to put together an old wireless charger and they haven't been successful, but OnePlus has come to the table and they have this. So let's do a little unboxing, little peek under the hood, if you will, and let's plug it in and let's see how fast this actually charges. Now, this actually came free with the early bird bundle or something like that. So OnePlus gave me some free swag, and I don't know, they gave me this and they gave me their headphones, which I'm not really too excited about, but they were free. Look, if these wireless headphones end up sounding good, most wireless headphones, they all sound the same, let's be real. Couple of them have a little bit higher highs, mid-ear mids, and lower lows, but that's about it. But they sound the same, they plug up your ears, and that's it. But if these sound good and I can have a telephone call on them without people saying, "Are you in a tunnel? I can't hear you," then I will give these earbuds my blessing. Until then, no earbuds have my blessing, not even the Apple AirPod Pros. And I promise I am smarter than the box I'm gonna get. No, here it is. I'm gonna get in here. Okay. I told you I was smarter than the box. Okay. Ooh, this is premium looking. This is no slouchy slouch. Oh, look at that presentation. Some papers. We better read all of this. We better read it. Or we're not gonna know what to do. So let's, my world comes crashing down. So this is it. It's a charger. It's got a rubber band. This is a nice rubber band. We're gonna save this for later. Let's take this in, right? It literally looks like there's a fan back here with another place for heat to come out. I think there might be a fan in here, guys. It's kind of crazy. So let's better buy the insurance. It's all I gotta say is I better buy a insurance. Okay, so we're plugging it into this. Full disclosure, I think this goes up to 30 watts. If it doesn't, we're about to find out. So we're gonna come over here and start this timer right when we put the phone down. Now we're starting at 73%. So there we go, and we are charging, and we're gonna see how fast this thing charges in 5-6 minutes, just to kind of test out Warp 30 wireless charging. So we've been gone for about 6 minutes, and we charged, what was that, 4% in 6 minutes. Nothing really too overly impressive about that. I don't know, maybe because the screen was on, maybe because it's not plugged into a wall and it's in an adapter, but the adapter has plenty of power to it. I mean, I power everything with that thing, so I think I do hear a fan though. Do you hear that? So it charged a few percent in 6 minutes. Myself, that wasn't overly impressive to me. I don't know. I do know that this fast charger was free, so it kind of came with the package. So I'm grateful for that. I'm glad that OnePlus gave me some cool swag with my early purchase. But I'm gonna keep using this. I'm gonna put this on my nightstand. We're gonna keep rocking it out. You know, no harm, no foul. I don't know if it's gonna be as quick as a good old plug-in 45 watt with my my Samsung brick, or if, you know, it's only gonna work fast charging with the OnePlus Warp charging cable. I'm not really too sure, but either way, it's a great stand. It wireless charges. I don't know exactly how fast it wireless charges. I'm gonna have to do some more tests, but that's about it for now. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for checking it out. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Head down to the comments and tell me, what do you think about this? Do we need a wireless fast charger? Or are we okay just plugging our phones in the old-fashioned way? I mean, we call it wireless, but we still have to set it down, which I find a disadvantage. Whereas wired, it can be plugged in and I can still hold it and do things and be productive if I want. With this, it's kind of just standing there. I mean, I guess I could like use the stand and thumb it up, but how practical is that? Thanks Nomadic Gear for supporting the channel. I'm kind of known for spending a ridiculous amount of money on luggage and high-end backpacks. Then I came across Nomadic bags and I absolutely fell in love with the Nomadic backpack, and now I'm in love with the Nomadic Carry-On Pro. This is a 2-bag-in-1 type of deal and it will not disappoint you. If you're in the market for some new luggage, a messenger bag, or a backpack that's big enough to take on a trip and still carry on the plane, then look no further. Take a moment and check them out. Link is in the description. Don't forget to click on the red sale link at the top of the page. You'll thank me later. Back to the video. For the love of tech, till next time, namaste. Oh, it's at 80% now. So it went 6% in 7-8 minutes. Not quite impressed, but it might get better as time progresses. We'll see.